Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Story Rotate Landscape Trick. The Instagram Story Rotate Landscape Trick refers to two popular methods for displaying horizontal widescreen content on vertical stories. You can use the native two-finger manual pinch to turn any media or leverage the interactive native spin feature released for media captured with Meta Ray-Ban glasses, which prompts users to tilt their phone. Now, the two-finger manual rotation trick is a easiest way to manually force a portrait story container into a wide landscape view. All you have to do is open this Instagram story camera and swipe up to select your landscape photo or video from your phone gallery. Then place two fingers on the screen, then twist your photo just like shown in the camera. Now, as you can see, the photo has been switched from this vertical mode to its horizontal mode. And to view this specific story, the viewers will also have to tilt their phone. All you have to do is, once you do this, go ahead and tap on your story option or just share it with your close friends. And once you do so, people will be able to view this story sideways without losing its originality. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.